Bob and Christine, Trail and Tread Adventures.
Welcome to Tombstone.
In case you haven't guessed, we're at
Tombstone, Arizona.
We didn't have any plans for Christmas, so we thought, why not get some sunshine? And why don't we go to Arizona? Why don't we go to Tombstone, Arizona?
Yeah. So, hence the reason for watching the movie in the last video, because I had never seen it. So, I wanted some idea what the heck was going on. We bought an airline ticket, got some Airbnbs, and headed off to Arizona.
Rented a Jeep, of course.
Of course.
It's been a beautiful day. We've done some camping. I mean, some hiking, not camping.
Yeah.
And it's been 80 degrees and sunny and gorgeous.
Oh, I know. It's beautiful.
Cool in the morning, hot in the daytime, but now it's cooling off right now. So.
Yeah. Hang out, check out, see what we find in Tucson and our hike. We've got plenty more hikes coming on. We're going to hit Sedona and we're going to hit Phoenix where we're out here.
We're also going to do some off-roading in the rental Jeep.
We're going to do some of the Jeep action while we're out here. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you out there.
And a St. Bernard just went by in a motorcycle trailer.
What else are you going to use it for? We left the rainy, windy Pacific Northwest for a few days of sunshine. We're in Tombstone, Arizona, the town too tough to die, where the Wild West still echoes through every dusty street. From legendary gunfights and historic saloons to old stagecoaches and frontier stories. Tombstone, Arizona is a step back in time. The OK Corral is home to one of the most famous events in Wild West history, the gunfight at the OK Corral, which took place on October 26, 1881. This 30-second shootout involved Wyatt Earp and his brothers Virgil and Morgan, Doc Holliday, and members of the Clatton and McClary families. The Birdcage Theater operated from 1881 to 1889 and was one of the wildest entertainment venues in the West. Part theater, part saloon, part gambling hall, and part brothel, it earned its reputation with non-stop gambling, drinking, and performances. The walls still bear bullet holes from rowdy nights, and many believe the building is haunted, making it one of the most notorious landmarks in Tombstone. The Oriental Saloon, built in 1880, was a glamorous, high-class spot owned partially by Wyatt Earp, known for its elegant decor but also for violence, hosting early gunfights including Doc Holliday and the Clattons, burning down in 1881 and quickly rebuilt.
First time I said it the other day too.
Cheers.
Cheers from the Oriental in Tucson, Arizona.
Yeah. Hi guys.
Thank you, sir.
Cheers. That's pretty good.
That's pretty good. That's rye whiskey, not my favorite. That's good.
Yeah.
Plus, the bottle is amazing looking.
Okay, so we are at Something Caverns, south of Tucson, halfway to Tombstone. And we're going to do the Foothills Loop Trail up to a viewpoint to see what we can see out here wherever we are.
Yeah, we're in the desert. This will be our first boots on the ground in the desert with all the cacti and the weird bushes, and it's a complete alien landscape for us.
No kidding. And we're dressed like we're in the Pacific Northwest. So
it's 10:30 in the morning and it's, wow, bright, warm sun.
Sunny. Yeah, it's about 63 degrees right now. You ready to get this going?
Yeah, I'm super excited to see the different landscape and different little plants and lizards and whatnot.
Yeah. All right, so let's get it moving.
Let's get her done.
Now we're starting to get a little bit more of a hike. That first half mile maybe was way more walking out of the parking lot and under the building and the tram trail and all that. So then we crossed the utility road and now we're into hiking.
One thing that you won't see in the Northwest, Pacific Northwest, is you can actually see the trail ahead of us. You know?
All right, so I think this is supposed to be, you know, a riverbed crossing. A dry bed crossing. I bet that's fun in the wintertime. Or springtime.
It is wintertime.
Oh yeah. I forget that it's almost Christmas because it's warm and sunny and beautiful. So here's another one. Ooh, wow. This wouldn't be a flowing.
This eroded the roots out and everything over there.
Oh yeah. Maybe don't do this in a rainstorm, or could be a rainstorm. This is obviously first hike in a long time. So now I've got, I'm winded, I'm a little tired. Oh, I haven't done this in a while. I'll catch up.
So we're just about exactly a mile in right now. The main thing I've noticed compared to back home is the trail is super rocky, and I mean, we have some rocky trails, but usually it's stumps and roots that are exposed that make it tricky. But it's the footing isn't flat, so it kind of gives your ankles a little bit of a workout, and the air super dry, of course, and I can feel it in my sinuses. If I breathe deep through my nose, I can feel it kind of burns a little bit. But just from being a softy flatlander, I guess. But yeah, enjoying the scenery and the warmth. I don't know how many times I've been hiking in PNW and thinking, I wonder what it's like if you don't have to wear a rain jacket and 3 layers. Well, this is what it's like. And I like it. How you doing?
Not too bad. See, there's the one for the mountain view.
How's your mouth and throat?
Dry from all this deep breathing.
Yeah, and it's super dry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got my water.
We're both hovering here in this tiny spot of shade because you'll see you couldn't buy no shade here. This was a particularly nasty rocky traverse.
My legs aren't that long.
You want a hand? 3 points of contact. Knees count. trying to reserve heads for last resort.
Help.
Okay.
Too far. We made it.
Yep.
On that last little bit, the steps were pretty tough.
Uh-huh. There were some big rocks to step over.
Yeah.
Up over.
And it was straight up. I mean, straight up.
I've never had M&Ms actually melt in my snack pack.
Yeah. Because they're in the backpack.
Because it's warm.
Yeah.
Beautiful view.
Yeah.
I don't know what that little bit of haze is. A nice breeze.
Yeah, so now we're gonna have some snacks. We got some trail mix and some Tillamook pepperoni sticks, and drink some of our water and catch our breath.
Yeah.
Wow. This is beautiful.
Passenger. I'm spotting you like we're jeeping.
I know. I got it. So 3 points of contact. My butt counts as one.
Yay! And it's a 10. I don't know what these giant things are. They look like an aloe vera plant. Maybe it's what's the stuff they make tequila out of?
Agave?
Agave plant? Could be. Kind of looks like it.
Yeah.
We're back here behind the backside of the hill now, and it's just a nice breeze and super quiet and peaceful. Getting warm though. We're following this little dry creek bed out back to the car. These weird little tiny needles. The bark kind of looks like a juniper. And you know we're in a Wrangler.
Well, we finished that hike. We made it all the way back down to the Jeep. Rob, what did you think of it?
I totally enjoyed it. It was hot when we were in that area where there was no breeze. You know, compared to what we're used to, it was rocky. It was different and I enjoyed it. I enjoyed the difference. I enjoyed the different plants and the cactus flowers and everything we saw. I had a great time.
My favorite part of the hike was coming down and taking off my boots and putting on my flip-flops.
Yeah,
My feet are killing me. That's it for this video. Rob and Christine, Trail and Tread Adventures. Thanks
Out.
for watching.